Hi everyone, Taylor Mathis here, the KEYTLaw Girl, Marketing Director and Legal Assistant at KEYTLaw. Today I just wanted to make a quick video talking to you guys about the new Arizona LLC law that was signed April 10th of 2018. The law is going to present a lot of changes for new and existing LLC owners, so I wanted to give you guys an overview, but before we get into that, give this video a quick like, comment if you have any questions on the new law, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Arizona's new LLC law called Arizona Limited Liability Company Act, or ALLCA, will be effective September 1st of 2019 for Arizona LLCs created after August 31st of 2019. All Arizona LLCs created before September 1st of 2020 will become subjected to the ALLCA after August 31st of 2020. So here are some important facts about Arizona's new LLC law you are going to want to know. The new ALLCA will govern all 800,000 plus Arizona LLCs that exist. Another thing you're going to want to know is that all Arizona court cases that deal with Arizona's current LLC law will be effectively eliminated. Beginning September 1st, 2020, operating agreements drafted for current LLC law will become obsolete, and all Arizona LLCs will need an operating agreement drafted pursuant to the new ALLCA. So you may want to start thinking about getting a new operating agreement drafted. All of the LLCs that we form at KEYTLaw after May 31st of 2018 will have an ALLCA compliant operating agreement. Starting June 1st of 2018, we will sell ALLCA compliant operating agreements to existing Arizona LLCs. If you have an existing Arizona LLC, you should join the free ALLCA newsletter email list offered below to get more information about when and how you can purchase new ALLCA compliant operating agreements for your Arizona LLC. I'll link that in the show more section below this video. An ALLCA compliant operating agreement will be critically important for all multi-member LLCs because a good operating agreement will eliminate many of the bad liability creating provisions in the new Arizona LLC law. So there's an overview for you guys on some of the key things that you need to know with the new LLC law going into place in Arizona. You really need to get a new operating agreement drafted if you already have an existing LLC in Arizona. To hire us to do that at KEYTLaw, you can find our contact information below this video in the show more section. And to learn more about the new Arizona LLC law, you can also find that below in the video description and at the URL displayed on the screen right here. Before you go, throw this video a like. Any comments that you have, throw them down below. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more videos.